Hello everyone. So today we'll discuss about the evolution of mobile computing. So firstly, we'll talk about mobile computing devices. They are devices that are portable gadgets such as smartphones, tablets, PDAs, which allow users to compute, communicate, and access data wirelessly. These devices have revolutionized communication, enabling instant access to information, entertainment, and productivity tools. They are used in personal and professional lives. Early mobile devices. They are pre-1990s devices. So the first portable mobile phone is Motorola DynaTAC, which is costing over 3,000 US dollars and had limited functionalities. Provides only voice calls only. So the early mobile devices, they have a single line display using LED or early LCD technology. They don't have any graphical capabilities. They are mostly used in voice call only purpose. They are used for they are used by business professionals and early adopters. Next, we'll talk about the first generation of devices. It's late back to 1980s, and its first technology goes as 1G phones and used analog cellular technologies focused on voice calls. The main key characteristic is they are bulky with antennas and large battery. So the displays of them are small LED or basic LCD screens for showing numbers, battery status, and signals. They are physical keypads for dialing and call navigation. They have limited capabilities such as they are expensive, limited coverage, they have poor battery life, and only voice services were available at that moment. They are limited in portability due to size and its weight. Let's move on to second generation of devices. So the second generation dates back to 1990s and introduced 2G networks. They are transitioning from analog to digital, such as GSM, which offered better call quality and security. Text messaging is introduced through 2G, which revolutionized mobile communication. They had monochrome LCD screens capable of displaying multiple lines of text, often with backlight. They had a numeric keypad allowing users to send SMS. They are more compact and has longer battery life and more affordable for the public since they are smaller and portable devices. For example, the Nokia 3210 is a famous smartphone that is introduced in the second generation. In the third generation, late 2000s, introduced 3G, enabling faster data transmission, speed up to 2 Mbps, facilitating web browsing, email, and multimedia. Displays have larger, full-color screens and support more media content. They had transitioned to virtual keyboards on touchscreen as physical keyboards start to phase out. Popular devices are BlackBerry, iPhone, and Nokia. They brought their own 3G devices into the frame. So the new capabilities of this 3G generation is that mobile web browsing, video streaming, and rise of different smartphones started becoming more used for different purposes rather than communication and entertainment. In the fourth generation, late 2010s, 4G LTE provided ultra-fast data speed, allowing for high-definition video streaming, online gaming, and real-time video calls. They had a display of HD, Full HD, and QHD. Displays become the general use with edge-to-edge designs. AMOLED and OLED displays are more used with richer colors and better energy efficiency. The capacitive touchscreens with advanced gestures are used as an input source, and more popular devices like iPhone 6, Samsung Galaxy X series, and Google Pixel series were introduced on this line. So the key features of these 4G phones are social media browsing, video streaming, productivity apps, and mobile gaming is more used in 4G era. Voice input became more reliable and integrated with AI assistants like Siri, Google Now, and Alexa were introduced. The fifth generation, the 5G network. So after the 4G generation, 5G was the newest, latest technology offering up to speed up to 10 times faster than 4G with low latency, enabling real-time applications like AR, augmented reality, virtual reality, and other Internet of Things. It introduced foldable screens, rollable displays, and under-display cameras becoming more mainstream. Devices like Galaxy Fold showcases these kind of flexible display technologies. So voice assistants are becoming more conversational and AI driven from Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant becoming more advanced. So gesture-based controlling and AR interfaces are more developing in this technology. So the future trend of these wearable devices such as smartphones and AR glasses will become more integrated with mobile computing. So 6G and beyond could introduce new communication paradigms such as holographic displays and neural interfaces. From the generations, now let's talk about the display evolution from LCD to OLED. So the monochrome LCDs were mainly used in early 2G phones and used which were basic and energy efficient but limited in graphical capabilities. Later onwards, it transformed into color displays with Nokia 7110 and different smartphones of that era. It had the limited color depth and resolution. So in OLED and AMOLED were introduced in 2000 with phones like Samsung Galaxy offering more better color contrast, deeper blacks and more power efficiency. HD displays are also known as high definition displays were introduced from the Apple Retina display set this standard for pixel density and clarity. Foldable screens introduced late 2019. Samsung Galaxy Fold provided flexible display technology that combines portability with larger screen sizes. We talk about the input evolution of from the keypads to touchscreens. From early mobile phones, they had the physical keyboard, such as a numeric keypad for dialing, and later it transformed to SMS text messaging. QWERTY keyboards. Devices like BlackBerry introduces physical QWERTY keyboards popular among business users for emailing and messaging. Then stylus input, personal digital assistants, and early smartphones like Palm Pilot uses stylus for handwritten recognition and navigation. Touchscreens were introduced from the iPhone 2007, popularizing capacitive touchscreens, replacing physical buttons with multi-touch interfaces. Voice input was introduced of introduction of voice recognition systems like Siri and Google Assistants allow voice control interaction with the mobile phones. In conclusion, the future of the mobile computing is looking at a fast, more rapid development from 1G up until 5G, and later in the next decade, we could see 6G network with neural interfaces and moving more toward immersive mobile experiences through AR, VR, and wearable techs. Thank you. I'm Udar Kavishkar, 2020 ICT 7, presenting about mobile computing and its future.